In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your Vantage Market server quickly and easily. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then inside the client portal, I want you to click the account section. If you are using MetaTrader 5 and having login issues, slow execution, or just want to confirm your correct trading server, all I have to do once you are here is to find under your trading account details, you need to look for something like MT5 or MT4 account number, which is going to be this one. And the server will usually look something like Vantage Live International, Vantage AU Live, Vantage Global Prime Demo. Since we have something like that here, you see this? I want you to make sure you copy the exact server name. You'll need this, for example, if you want to open another account, okay? For example, let's say we're going to open another account here in MetaTrader 5. We are going to choose a standard, currency is US dollars, and we can add another server right here and click the submit button. Okay, so the thing is, if you choose the wrong server, you won't be able to log in even if your account number and password are correct. So always double check your server inside your Vantage client portal first before you log into different platforms such as here in MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. But basically, that's it on how to check your Vantage server. But basically, that's it on how you can check your Vantage Market server. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.